Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to change filter on your car. I'm gonna change diesel filter on my VW Golf 1.6TDI. Let's do it. First things first, when we're coming on the filter side, when we wanna work on the engine, we need to first take out the protection cover. As I already did, here is my engine, and then we have to locate the filter that is here. So here is the filter, the diesel filter. As we can see, here is the line that's coming from the tank. Here is the sending line, and here is the return line. The return line is the line that brings back the diesel from the engine that we haven't used. This one is sending the diesel in the engine, in the sprayers, and here is the line that brings the diesel from the tank. For this job, we're recruiting a snap tool and Torx, or if you do it at home and you don't want to spend so much money, you can just use one of those. We're gonna need the T30 and we're gonna need a screwdriver. First of all, we take gloves because we're gonna work with diesel, and then I'm gonna take my snap tool because I like it the most on those works. I'm gonna take the T30 Torx. I'm gonna place it on my tool like that, and I'm gonna take out the bolts. I already take out my bolts. I'm gonna take them and place them here on a safe place. This one. It's always good to have a magnet in case you lose a bolt or something somewhere, a magnet like that, and you can also take the bolt from far away. So we place it here. So guys, now after I have already lift up my lock here, as you can see the filter is inside. I'm gonna take it out. It can be a little bit. So, as you can see here, there is diesel inside. I'm gonna drain it out. So, as you can see, the new filter is coming with an O-ring packing. It's because we're gonna change it also. We come in here, and as you can see guys, there is the old O-ring here. So I'm gonna take my screwdriver carefully, and I'm gonna take it out. It doesn't matter how you take it out, just take it out. You can destroy it, it's no matter. I have a bucket, I used to put my things inside, even my filter, but not today. And I'm gonna take my new O-ring. I'm gonna take my filter. I'm going to put it inside like that, and I'm gonna put the lock back. The filter is on the. Now you can see, I'm gonna press it a little bit. Now you can see that it's on the place. Almost. And now we are done. We are gonna screw back the screws, and then we're done. Before I put back the screws, I have already drawn the diesel here from my filter, so I'm gonna put it back, and then I'm gonna just take the screws back and we're ready back to the road. Now I take out my gloves because I'm gonna work with putting back the screws. First of all, I'm just place them a little bit so that they holding the cap. This I'm gonna do now. I have already placed once this one in my tank. I see some difference. I wasn't like it, but I see some difference. That's make me to think that my problem is coming from my injection system, and I want to clean it. So I'm gonna put cleaner in the filter without diesel. So I'm gonna let the car work only with this one until it's bringing new diesel. So I'm gonna have a stronger reaction in the injection system. I haven't used it directly. I'm using it after a couple of weeks of driving. I have driven about 3,000 kilometers. I don't recommend you to use it directly there and directly here because you can destroy the injection system. Now after I take out the bolts are here. So we're gonna, and I showed you before, I take out the lock with my screwdriver. This we're gonna do now, I have already done it. I cannot do it and holding the phone and everything. I needed 2 people here. I take that tool and I drain out all my diesel from inside here. You can check if you want. Check inside, there is no diesel. So now there is no diesel at all inside there. I open it, guys, with my screwdriver. It was the easiest way. As you can see, looks like diesel. Crazy about it. And then we're gonna place this one here. I want to say that I have been changed my filter same way that I do the video now, same time, because the filter was quite old. You can check in my previous video. This we do now, it's exactly the same. The process is the same. You come in here, take out the balls, take the filter, take out the old one, putting in the new one. I want to have a new filter now, because I see when I put this one in the tank, I already see that the filter is getting old, even if I change it. So now I change it again. So guys, this is for today. I'm gonna just screw back the bolts and then we're ready to go. If you're gonna do it at home yourself, it's gonna take you about 10-20 minutes. It's not so hard to do. Here I have the snap tool, as I show you, so it takes for me a little bit faster, but if you do it with the torque keys, it can be a little bit harder for you, just because you cannot press so much and put so much power. Actually, you are not gonna be necessary to put so much power on those bolts, because you don't have any pressure inside the filter. So as you know also about the oil filter, we just need if I remember correctly, 25 Newton meter or something. So you don't have to put so much power on putting back the bolts or out. Of course, maybe they can be rusted if you didn't change. And diesel filter or a gas filter is gonna change every 2 years, or every time that you're passing over 50,000 kilometers. It's important for the safety of your engine and to keep the engine running in good condition. If the filter is broken or it's getting old, you can get in components in the engine that you don't like, you don't want to be there, and this can destroy your engine.